TV. As promised, it's time to take a look at the agriculture markets, and we start things off with the grain complex at the Chicago Board of Trade. And joining us right now, we have Todd Horwitz. Todd is with Bubba Trading, and of course on the floor there in Chicago. And Todd, tell us what's been taking place in the markets for this second trading day of 2016.
Hi, Jenna. There's not a lot been going on. We've been basically on both sides of unchanged, but making new contract lows. And I had been bullish for quite a while. I'm still bullish the space, but now I'm getting a little bit concerned that we have made new contract lows. I think that's something to watch as we go forward. I know the commercials are a big short coming into the announcement in 4 days from today. So I think I want to be in. I want to be an owner. If I'm a farmer or a producer, I'm going to hold. Hopefully I have my position hedged, and I'm going to hold on to my position. As a trader, I do own some, but I want to wait now before I add and bring new money, because I think that there could be just a little bit more work to do on the downside here, as we might test those lows one more time.
So as we move closer towards the closing bell, of course, we've got 3 more trading days in the week, and it is the first week of 2016. Any little ticks of information coming through that you think might surprise us?
Well, I think the real surprise or whatever is really the overall economy. I think we're really in a lot of trouble here generally throughout the overall economy. The dollar is now once again picking up some strength. But of course, I don't make that as an excuse, but that's one of the issues coming in. You've got global manipulation, you've got a lot of financial engineering going on, and eventually that even comes down to hurt any asset class, especially now the commodity space, which remains now on 18-year lows as a space overall. So there are issues, and I think the general economy is now draining into the grains here right now, so I think that's creating a little bit of a problem.
And Todd, something that I haven't talked about with anybody yet today, of course, we had those storm systems come through the Midwest, a lot of flooding, a lot of delays in getting things to market. Do you think that's still having any impact on the markets at all?
No, I don't really think. One thing, Janet, we know for sure is that with the information today, especially as quickly as like RFD gets it out, we already know, so that stuff's already pretty much priced into the market. There isn't that many surprises because of the way that news flow is so fast and the way the charts are now. So I don't think that really has much of effect. Any effect that has already long passed and been priced into the market.
All right. Well, Todd, thank you very much for your insight.
Thank you.
Hang on. We'll talk to you about livestock here in a few moments. Again, Todd Horwitz with Bubba Trading. Let's go ahead.